remote.
Because I was late to the class. I was like, yeah,
I'm currently trying, keyword I'm only cooking the bacon. Trying to make clubhouse sandwich for the fine folks here that are hosting me in Bratislava. This gentleman here has done most of the work. I've pretty much did most of the bossing, and she just arrived. So she's just here. She made these. Also, rule number 1, don't vlog and cook bacon at the same time, because you'll probably burn it. As that actually looks pretty good. So hopefully you don't give everyone food poisoning. Fingers crossed. Okay, we'll go with that. Alright, so no pressure here, but I'm only making clubhouse sandwich. And the only way I can remember how to do the ingredients is it's chicken, lettuce, under bacon. So we have our chicken, and we're gonna put a little piece of chicken there. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Okay, another little piece of chicken here. Whatever. It's all going in the same thing. Okay. So then you take your lettuce. Set. And usually just take a leaf. I say usually, like I've done this before, and just kind of like put it in there nice. And again, the detail is what makes the sandwich. So let's do that. But then there's more. There's another right there. Boom. Then you take more of the mayonnaise. I mean, it already looks like a nice little sandwich. You know, it's kind of filling, but oh no, this is coming straight from North America, home of the free and the fat. So
I just thought like free folk, you know. You watch Game of Thrones?
Yeah. So
from up north.
We the north. So you take pieces of bacon, because again, chicken, lettuce, underneath bacon. Look at that. Friggin' beautiful. Then that, voila. That's how it's done.
Cheese.
But wait, there's more. From the brain of the situation. I was testing him and you passed. Good job.
He was paying attention. Yeah.
Clearly someone is, thank God. Alright. How can I forget my most favorite part of it? For all my cheese-loving friends. It's perfect size. That. So it's done. Dun 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 dun